We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Myself RINKAL PATEL from Mechanical Engineering Department and from VIDHYADEEP Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we are discussing engineering graphics and design subject in which we have to study a curve chapter, that how different curve, parabola, hyperbola, that is drawing by different method. So today we are discussing about that part. So first one part is conic section. Okay, in which we have to discuss about the ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. So ellipse is drawn by 5 different method. First one is concentric circle method, rectangle method, oblong method, arc of circle method, and basic locus method. It will also call as directrix focus method. In parabola, again we have to discuss about rectangle method, triangle method, and basic locus method. Same way in hyperbola, we are discussing rectangular hyperbola by coordinates given method, then rectangular hyperbola by BV diagram, and third one is basic locus method, or it will also call as directrix focus method. So we are discussing one by one each and every method. So first of all, we have started with ellipse. Okay. So first of all, we are discussing what is ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. So ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola are called as a conic section. Why? Because these curve appear, these curves appear on the surface of a cone when it is cut by some typical cutting plane. Observer illustration are given below. Means by observer illustration, we have to understand that how ellipse are drawn, how parabola are drawn, and how hyperbola are drawn. So first of all, you have to see one triangle, in which triangle is cut by section plane. Here you are seeing that this is one triangle, and triangle is cut by section plane through the generator. So whenever triangle is cut by section plane through generator, the object obtained is ellipse. We will see in this diagram. After that, whenever this is triangle section plane are parallel to the end of generator, section plane parallel to the end of generator, then the object obtained is known as your parabola. Same way, suppose if the section plane are parallel to the axis, you are seeing in this diagram that this one is your axis. So section plane are cut parallel to the axis, then object obtained is known as your hyperbola. So these are the way by which ellipse, hyperbola, and parabola are drawn. Okay. Now we have to understand each and every method by drawing ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. So before that, we have to discussing one definition, that is the eccentricity. That eccentricity is very important while considering the case of ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. So what is eccentricity? These are the locus of point moving in a plane such that the ratio of its distance from a fixed point and a fixed line always remain constant, and this ratio is known as the eccentricity. Now the value of eccentricity for the ellipse is less than 1. For ellipse, value of eccentricity is less than 1. For the parabola, value of eccentricity is equal to 1. And for the hyperbola, value of eccentricity is greater than 1. Okay. Now we have to draw each and every we have to draw ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola by different method. So first of all, we have to draw ellipse by concentric circle method. You are seeing here that ellipse by concentric circle method. So problem number 1 is that draw the ellipse by concentric circle method. The two data is given to you, that is the major axis and minor axis. So here take major axis is equal to 100 mm and minor axis is taken as 70 mm long. Okay, so first of all, from these two data you are draw two line, first one major axis and then minor axis. Okay, after that give the number A, B, C, D. Major axis here is your major axis and this one is your minor axis. After that, from center as the point and taking radius as C and draw one circle. Same way, here is the center and taking radius A and draw another circle. Okay, after that you have to divide both the circle into 12 equal parts and name giving the number. So you are seeing that here we have to divide the circle into the 12 equal number parts and giving the name 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now from all the point of outer circle, this one is your outer circle and this one is your inner circle. So from all the point of outer circle, draw a vertical line downward. Means this one is your outer circle, draw vertical line from the outer circle, draw vertical line downward and upward respectively. Means from the point, this point you have to draw downward and from this point you have to draw upward. Okay, after that from all the point of inner circle, this one is your inner circle, from all the point at inner circle draw a horizontal line, draw a horizontal line to intersect those vertical line. Means you have to draw vertical line from outer circle and horizontal line from inner circle. So you will get one bisector point. Give them point. Okay, so showing in the diagram, you have seen that we are drawing one vertical line from outer circle and one horizontal shear here. We have to drawing all the points. Here point number 1, draw vertical line from point number 1 and draw horizontal line from inner circle. This will intersect at one point. So these are my points. Same way from the all the points 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 we are getting 1 point. After that you have to draw the ellipse by smooth curve. So you will get your answer. Okay, you are seeing in that the dark portion is showing your answer and that is your ellipse. And ellipse by which method? Concentric circle method. Join all the points along with the end of both axes and by smooth curve. So that smooth curve line showing the dark portion is your answer. Okay, now another method, ellipse by, we have to draw ellipse by rectangle method. Okay, first of all we have to again here two dimension is given to you, that is major axis and minor axis, but here you have to giving that draw the ellipse by rectangle method. The major axis is again 100 mm and minor axis is 70 mm long. So first of all major axis AB and minor axis CD. Okay, after that you have to draw one rectangle. Why we have to draw rectangle? Because the method name itself is that draw the ellipse by rectangle method. So we have to prepare one rectangle. After that, divide the line into the equal number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have to divide this line into 4 equal number of parts. Same way here. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Divide the equal number of parts. After that, draw line, draw inclined line and joint at point number D. You are seeing in the diagram. And here, from the C point, the line passing through 1 and touches at 1 point, and you will get one bisector point. See here clearly, the line passing from C and passing from 1 dash and touch this 1 point. So 1 and 1 is touched at here. You will get 1 point. Same way, from 2 you are drawing one line at inclined line and touching at D. Again, from C, one line passing from 2 and touches at these 2 lines. So you will get 1 point. Okay, see here. Okay, the line passing from 2 and touches at D. Again, the line passing from 2 and passing from 2 and touches at point number 2. You will get 1 point. Same way, point number 3 and point number 4. So you will get half ellipse. Okay. Now same method is repeated at right side. Means from this side. So you will get, again, divide the equal number of parts vertically and horizontally. After that, touching the point C, from C, passing from 1 to 1, again C from 2 to 2, and C from 3 to 3, and you will get 1/4 half curve by smooth curve. Okay, same process is repeated at down part. So you will get one answer. So this one is the method to draw a ellipse by a rectangle method. You are seeing in the diagram. Next problem is by oblong method. This is important. The same problem is that, but here you have to draw by oblong method, and one included angle is given to you. So first of all, observe the problem. Draw the ellipse by oblong method. Draw the parallelogram. Draw a parallelogram of 100 mm and 70 mm long. Sides which included angle of 75. Inscribe ellipse in it. Means you have to draw the parallelogram and draw ellipse in it. So here steps are similar to the previous problem. Only the different thing is that in previous problem the method name itself is that rectangle method. So we are preparing one rectangle. Here the method name is oblong method and parallelogram is there. So we have to prepare one parallelogram. See here, you have seen the diagram that I am preparing drawing one parallelogram. Okay, the name itself ABCD is given to you. From the major axis and minor axis, dimension is given to you, 100 mm and 70 mm long. After that, ABCD point is given to you. Now repeat the same step as previous problem, that you have to draw the equal, divide the vertical line and horizontal line into the equal number of parts, same as previous problem. So divide this line into the equal number of parts. Same way, divide this line into the equal number of parts. Okay, and giving the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way, this portion, divide the line into the equal number of parts and giving them a number 1, 2, 3, and 4. After that, from this 1 point, draw one line and touches at D. Same 2 point touches at D. Same 3 point touches at D. Again, from C point, draw an inclined line which touches 1 and 1 cut, and so you are getting 1 point. See here, you can understand by step. Okay, from the all point you have to draw inclined line which touches at D. After that, draw a point, the line which is passing from C, cut one line up to this 1 point. So you will get 1 point at here. Okay, the C line, the one line which is passing from 1 and cut this one line at here. So you get 1 point. Same way here 2, 3. Okay, so you will get one smooth curve. Same step is repeat at here right side, that divide the line into the equal number of parts. Same way here to divide the line into the equal number of parts, then line joining. Okay, so you will get one ellipse. So this one is ellipse by oblong method. You have to draw only ellipse by dark line, because your ellipse is your answer. So you have to draw ellipse by dark line, smooth curve. You have to draw this ellipse by French curve. Okay, same step is repeat at here. So you will get this type of smooth curve in bottom part also. Okay, so by this method we have to draw a ellipse by oblong method. Same step is repeated as the rectangle method, but only here you have to draw one parallelogram. Okay, in next lecture we have to draw parabola and hyperbola. Thanks for watching this video.